Welcome to Best Useful Tips. Here I will show you how to change screen resolution or display resolution in your Windows 10 PC or laptop devices. Here I will show two methods to change video resolution on Windows 10. Go to right click on the screen main on your device. Tap on the display settings. Wait. Here you can see resolution. By default recommended set 1920 180 resolution. You can change resolution. Wait for you can see this message. Keep this display setting. If you want to change, tap on keep change, otherwise tap on revert to go back your setting again. Now change resolution. You want to set Windows 10. Let's see other method. Now tap on a start icon. Double tap on a setting. Here you can see Windows 10 settings. Tap on system. Now under display setting you can see resolution option. Select resolution you want to set. Also change orientation, landscape, portrait you want to set on your Windows 10. That's it. Don't forget to like and subscribe to get latest update.